Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I'm definitely still very bullish. I still think this is going to make a higher low, and I still think this is going to go up and complete a wave C of an expanding flat, which would most likely bring it up to the 161.8 to the 178.6, or possibly it's going to be a running flat, which would possibly bring it down to one of these lower fib levels. Either way, I don't think it matters too much to know, because either way, it should make for a pretty nice uptrend on shorter time frames. Heading down to the weekly time frame, definitely still looking at this as an expanding flat wave 2. That would make this right here a wave 1. I think that would make this right here a wave 2. Then this right here should be in the very early stages of a wave 3, of it a wave 3 of an expanding flat, or a wave 3 of a running flat, just like I was explaining on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I do truly think this is the end of a correction right here. I think this first wave, 5 waves up, is a wave 1. I think this is a big 3-wave pattern for an ABC of 2. Nice 78% fib bounce. Definitely looks like an uptrend. Really, it looks like a 1, 2, 3. So I still don't even think that this is over. I think we're in a 1, 2, 3 of wave 1, which is a wave 1 of wave 3 based on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, it looks like it could possibly make a move down, but for me, I'm definitely a trend trader, so I am definitely ignoring any counter trend moves. To me, it looks like it is very likely to go down, make a wave C before it actually does end up continuing back up, and this would be an A, B, C correction to the uptrend. So let's take it right down to that 1-hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I kind of think it looks like it's making like an expanding flat or something, because to me this definitely looks like 5 ways down A. This is impulsive up. I think that is an A also. This is definitely 3 waves down right here, which makes me think that's a wave B. And then this looks more like a trend also for a wave C. I think we have an ABC of B. So first of all, we got an A, we got an ABC of B, and it definitely looks to me like this is more likely to go down maybe to the 38 or the 50% Fibonacci retracement level to make a wave C before it actually does go up, break structure, and continue the uptrend. Now, just because I believe this is what's going to happen doesn't mean I'm shorting it. I'm actually not shorting in it, but I'm actually waiting for the long opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend, because even though this does look like it needs to go down, it could easily just make a little push down, and it could easily just make another higher low and just keep on trending up, which is why I am trading with the trend. The trend is my friend, and I'm definitely looking for longs at the end of 3-way pullbacks for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my daily all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.